Edit on the go with Sked's mobile apps for Android and iOS. To download, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search Sked Social. It's the blue one. To get started, you'll need to log into your Sked account. First, let's walk you through the dashboard. The app will automatically open to the content section that looks like this. On the top left settings, you can find failed posts, if any, get help through the knowledge base, and log out of your account. On the top right, you can select the account or accounts that you want to be working on. Right under that, you'll see upcoming, drafts, and archives. Exactly how it is on the computer, you can see upcoming posts that are already scheduled, drafts that have been uploaded, and an archive of all of your posts. You can edit your posts straight from upcoming or drafts. Along the bottom, we have Planner, New, and Content. The Planner feature lets you drag and drop your content to see how it will appear in your Instagram feed. Make sure you have the correct account selected in the drop-down. Click Open Drafts and hold your finger on the content you want to add until a check appears. Then click Move to Queue. Your queue must be enabled to do this. Once they're in your grid, you can move the content around to get it exactly how you want. Now let's add new content that's not already in drafts or upcoming. Click New and then click the circle with a plus to select the account or accounts that you want to upload to. You'll be able to add your caption, hashtags, post it as a story, and tag people, products, or places. Then add your media. Click Add Photo or Video to open up your entire photo library, or scroll through your recents right on the bottom. You can also edit your photos here by clicking Edit. Once you're happy with your content, click Next. You'll have the option to add it to the queue, schedule it, or send it to drafts. To schedule, pick your day and time and select Confirm. Scheduled posts will automatically go straight to your upcoming folder so you can see what's coming. And you're good to go. Happy scheduling!